Hello, my name is Joseph Kim, and today we will be talking about radians and degrees. This is what we call a unit circle. We know a whole circle is equal to 360 degrees or 2 pi radians, and half a circle would be 180 degrees or pi radians. The unit circle, it gives us angle measures and radians as well as points for coordinates. However, whenever we don't have any of these angles or radians, we have to know how to actually convert them to degrees to radians or radians to degrees. So the point of this lesson is to teach you how to convert angle degrees or radians if you don't have the unit circle, or just any degree or radians that's not even on the unit circle. These are the formulas for converting radians to degrees or degrees to radians. To convert from radians to degrees, it would be, you have your radian number times 180 over pi. And for degrees to radians, you have degrees times pi over 180. If you look at an example here, we have an example of converting 60 degrees to radians. So if you look back at the formula here, we know that we have 60 degrees, and we know that we have to use this formula because we want to convert from degrees to radians. So all you have to do is plug the 60 in here and solve to get your radians. So over here, we'll multiply 60 degrees by pi over 180, which gives us 60 pi over 180. And all you have to do is simplify this fraction. So 60 would go into 180 3 times, so we're left with pi over 3 radians. Another example now, we'll be converting pi over 6 radians to degrees. So if we look back in the formula here, we know that we have to use this formula, radians to degrees. So we just plug in our radian, which is pi over 6 here, and we will multiply that by 180 by pi. So we have pi over 6 times 180 over pi, and that would give us 180 pi over 6 pi. These are the same units, so we just can cancel the 2 pi's out from each other, which leaves us with 180 divided by 6. And we know that 180 divided by 6 would give us 30 angles. This was a lesson on radians and degrees, and now you can convert any radians or degrees into one another.